This is vlog number 7 of Teen Survivor. I now have a hat, which I was using in case of emergency only. But I decided it's cold anyway. So I figured, what the hell. And this area that I showed you guys before in one of my previous vlogs, this is the area I'll be taking. Even though it's a dead end, very windy, even though it's a dead end, I'm still gonna push through. I gotta maneuver my way through trees. There's a pond down over there. And it looks like a trail right over there. I'm still dying of thirst. But that pond is actually salt water, because it's not a pond that goes straight into the ocean. So, screw that idea. I'll come back later because there are ducks. And I love me some duck breast. So now, I'm pushing through into the wild. Yet again, keep my hood up. No insects get in my head. Literally. Very rough terrain. And I'm very loud. I once picked up a rock before. I didn't get it on camera. 4 huge roaches came out from underneath the rock. I ate 3 of them. Look at more thorns. So anyway, I ate 3 of them. I couldn't eat the 4th one. I threw up, which just made my dehydration even worse. There's nowhere to go. This is the wilderness, baby. There's the pond. This is the wilderness, baby. So I'm just gonna keep pushing forward. Ugh. Trying to maneuver my way through trees. Under this branch. Ow. The thorns keep getting me. Shh. Do you hear that? There's an eagle. More than one. Wait. There's a boat. I have to go get to this boat in time. And this was the rock that I found the roaches under. But anyway, we have to get to this boat. Come on. You need to get to this boat. It's gone. The boat's gone. That could have been my only way out of there. I gotta find